What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is a very interesting update Samsung has pushed out to one of its very important applications, Samsung Semantic Core. Yeah, now this is something which we don't see more often. Rarely we get the update for these applications, and this is a very important update which you must install. So currently this is showing up on my S26 series. It may be coming to the other models as well, so stay tuned. You can see the latest version, which is 5.0.00.73, and the update date is 12th May 2026. The size is 588.00 MB. Now I was very keen to discuss about this and show this to you guys because this is a very interesting application. Let me tell you what this does. Here in the description it says, Samsung Semantic Core provides search results and recommendations that are suitable for the user's status and intentions through enhanced analysis. The user data retrieved in this process will be processed only within the device. So basically, whenever you search something on the search bar, the matching results that you're going to find is processed by this particular application. Now here it says Samsung Semantic Core supports the following features: calendar, reminder, notes, calls, voice recordings, Finder, Bixby. On Bixby, it provides search results that have similar meanings to the search terms, even if the users don't enter the exact words. And for keyboard, understands the context of conversations with the other person to recommend replies and actions. For these features, this application is very much needed. Now let me show you the examples here. We've got some screenshots here. As you can see, when you search for March travel to whatever location that you're visiting, immediately it fetches the flight details right on top of your search result, and this is on the Finder. Now let's go to Finder here. Now here I will just ask, where did I stay when I last visited Thailand? There it is. Right on top, you can see the search results. Stay at Leon's Loft House. This is how it fetches information from the past events inside the calendar. Just an example. So let me show you another example here. When you search for show me my meeting schedule, it is going to show you all your meeting schedule on the search results. Next, when you say show travel related notes, it will show you all the notes which are related to travel. So it is going to pick up your natural language and give you the results. Another example, recording related to Tesla self-driving. It will give you all those recordings which are available on your phone. These are a few examples. This is how Semantic Core application helps you find the information that you're looking for. And even on the keyboard, the suggested replies will be available with the help of Samsung Semantic Core. That is something you guys should know. Now, this application has got the update. If you have received it, do let me know in the comment section. If you haven't got it, just wait for it patiently. You will be getting it very soon. Let me go ahead and update this. Apart from this, we did get a couple of more updates. There is a brand new update for calculator application on the S26 series. The latest version is 12.5.10.28 and the update date is 18th May. So this is the latest update for the application. There is no changes mentioned here. I don't think there is any new features or anything added. Let me go ahead and update this and let's see if we find any orange dot or anything here. Nope, there is nothing here. Let me also turn the the dark mode on. I don't see any changes in the animations or anything. It is all the same. And there is another important update that we got recently was for PenUp. PenUp got some brand new features now. As you can see, it says new brush added as drawing tool, supports dual brush, added draft file export feature, lasso, added automatic selection option, supports landscape mode, sync with Samsung account email. Now, these are some brand new features added on PenUp. I'm not sure how many of you guys are using PenUp application. I don't really use it, but if you're someone who own a Galaxy Ultra device, you may be using this feature. Drop a comment and let me know. You can see the update size, the version is 3.9.22.23. A few days ago this was updated, and I didn't really make a video because I don't think you guys would be interested in watching the content on PenUp. But anyways, if you're someone who uses PenUp, do share it in the comment section. Now this is something which I want to share with you guys, and if you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your Galaxy phones or other Android phones or tech news, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of this community. That's all I have here. I request you guys to download our wallpaper application Wallverse and check out some beautiful wallpapers. If you like it, do rate it 5-star on Play Store. I would really appreciate that. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.